Hello Year 2. Today we're going to be learning about adding the ing suffix onto the end of words. Let's start by reading these words together. Talk, talking. How is the second word different to the first word? What has been added? Jump, jumping. Look carefully at the second word. What do you notice? How is it different to the first word? Read, reading. Have you managed to work out what is different between the two words yet? Well done if you have. So, did you work it out? That's right, the second word always had the ing on the end of it. What type of words were they? They were doing words called verbs, and they were describing an action that is happening now. What tense are the words written in if they're happening now? That's right, the present tense. Can you think of any more doing words? Pause the video here and write down as many verbs as you can think of. Once you've done that, have a go at acting out the action and see if someone else can guess the word that you are trying to act out. So now we're going to play a little game. I'm going to read you a sentence with a word missing in the middle. I want you to think of a verb that could be added to this sentence. Make sure your verb contains the ing suffix. Right, let's have a go. Katie is something to the shop. Pause the video here and write down a word that you think would fit into this sentence. I'm now going to reveal a possible answer. Don't worry if your answer isn't the same, there are lots of different options that it could be. Katie is going to the shop. Did you get that one? If you got another one, as long as it makes sense in that sentence, that is absolutely fine. Are you ready for another one? This sentence says, Charlotte is something the doctor. Pause the video here and think of a verb that could go into this sentence that would make sense. I'm now going to reveal a possible answer. Charlotte is seeing the doctor. Did you get that answer? If not, as long as your answer makes sense, that's absolutely brilliant. Mum and Robert are something. Now there's lots of possible answers for this one, but try and think of a verb that has the ing suffix. Pause the video here. Right, let's have a look and see if your answer matches my answer. Mum and Robert are cooking, something that I hope lots of you have been doing over this lockdown. The swan is something over the lake. Think about how a swan might move and which verb could you use in this sentence. Pause the video here. Right, let's have a look at a possible answer. The swan is flying over the lake. Could have been flying. Some of you might have written swimming. Okay, either answer is absolutely fine because they would both make sense. For today's activity, we want you to look at the words in the table, choose the correct verb and add ing to finish the sentence. You can then have a go at writing your own ing sentences to describe the picture. Good luck!